Right, guys, I'm giving you guys a quick update on the progress of the studio. Shout out to Jason and Nadine and the family for helping us out with the move. Big up to Alan and Nina. But look, check this out, right, guys. This is the new rudimentary layout, right? Over here, you got the main sort of DAW. Got my DJ set up here. I've got my working Akai's here in a new sort of position. I've got the dual screen here for the live streaming. I'm going to be updating the operating system for the live streaming computer. My chair to sit in, obviously. Now, here's the thing. On this side, it just looks a tip because it's work in progress, guys. I've got all of my fix-it bench in a mess. And I've got all my tools in a mess at the moment. And guys, comment down below if you've got any solutions for storage, etc. Also, excuse me, if you've got any solutions for sticking these on the wall, that'd be fantastic. Because they tend to stay up for a bit if you use hot glue and then come down, right? Here's my Akai rack and various equipment, storage. Yeah, so that's the general layout of it, guys. Yeah, drop some comments down below. I'm also looking for a solution to sort out the actual temperature in here because it's really cold. And I'm going to insulate the walls. And I'm looking to put battens and the acoustic rock wall. And then put another layer of ply maybe, or plasterboard. Comment down below, let me know your experience in setting up studio. Plywood on top of rock wall, or plasterboard on top of rock wall, and then paint it white. Let me know your thoughts, guys. This is just a quick update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, guys, if you're feeling this and you want to see more content like this on the channel. We'll talk about how we set it up, etc., and tips, etc., for making the studio sound better. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.